Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a very big collaboration that came out this past weekend that just passed. I know Nike has been doing a lot of collaborations, man, but this guy's been on fire. He did a collaboration with Nike, I believe, in 2017. That was fire. And then he just did one with Jordan brand. We're talking about the new Travis Scott Cell Edition Air Force One with the different swooshes. This shoe is fire. This guy's been on fire. He just came out with an album that's on fire. Got the streets on fire. The industry, he sold a lot of records. He's number one in the world. Number one album in the world. He's doing his numbers, man. But before we get into the shoe, I'm gonna need for you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we dropping new content to our channel. Notification game, what up? And if you guys aren't following us on our social media accounts, I'm gonna need for you guys to go do that. You can follow us on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT for updates and everything like that, man. But enough with the talking. Let's get into the shoe. Extra swooshes that come with them. Comes with 2 extra sets of swooshes. Alright guys, here you have it. Air Force One Travis Scott Cell Edition. See the front there. Has the 2 logos that he uses. Got the upside down Nike Air. Let's get into the shoe, man. Put one down, let's get into it. Has the braids here, 2 different new braids that come on the shoe. This is canvas, it's not leather, it's a canvas shoe, which is dope. Like the laces, premium laces, has a little metal gray tip on here. As you know, the swooshes come off. Showed you guys the other swooshes that come with it. Look on the inside, this one says Travis, and the other insole says Scott. Gum bottom. With Air Force Ones, I think if you put a gum bottom on any Air Force One, it's gonna look dope. Right here, the cutting of the canvas that's around the shoe is 3M. Yeah, man, this is another dope collaboration from Travis Scott, man. If you guys check our channel, I'll put a card up above. Let you guys know about the other Travis Scott shoe that we did. We did a review on the Blue 4s. You guys can check that out. That's on the channel also, man. But these are dope, man. I'm a big Air Force One fan. I love Air Force Ones, man. It's a real throwback shoe, man. It really doesn't get the props that it deserves. It's a shoe you can do pretty much anything with, man. You could wear, shorts, jeans, sweatpants, whatever you want with a pair of Air Force Ones is gonna look good, man. But I think Travis Scott did a good job designing these. It gives that old school feel. If you're looking for that old school Air Force One canvas feel, definitely does the job there. If you look on the tongue, it has the Nike Air upside down. I don't know if y'all can see that. See if that is on there. Yeah, that's on there. Like I said, man, the gum bottom is the #1 seller of the whole situation, man. This gum bottom here, man. Put gum bottom on pretty much any color Air Force One and it's gonna sell, because a lot of people that wear Air Force Ones love gum bottom on the Air Force Ones, man. It just looks clean, has a clean look to it. Got a little mini swoosh there. Let's get checked out on the front. Got the mini swoosh there. I think this is a very clean shoe, man. Good job once again for Travis Scott, man. Coming out with this shoe. Last week he came out with an album, man. That's back-to-back home runs, if you ask me, man. Great job overall, man. This guy has a great creative mind, and his mindset is also has that old school feel, man, which a lot of people are actually looking for when they buying sneakers and things like that. His music is new school, but it has a couple of old school things into it, man. But his sneaker collection and the sneaker type of sneakers that he like is very vintage, man. So shout out to him for bringing that out. Bringing it out in an artistic way on the shoe, man. Great job, 100%, man. Shout out to Good Music. They've been killing stuff all year, man. Great job there, man. great job, man. Kanye West, man, with the 5 albums that they put together. And in June and May, you know, Pusha T, Nas, Tiana Taylor, Kid Cudi, and Kanye West. And then you had Kanye West came out with a solo album. And then now you have, in August, you have Travis Scott coming out with an album. So this is just a great job. 6 albums in, what do you want to say, 3 months, man? Great job, man. 100% great job, man. But you gotta give it a buck. I mean, you gotta keep it a buck, man. You know, when you see stuff that you like, man, and people are doing a great job with it, man. But this shoe here is on fire, man. I love it. I can't see anything wrong about it, man. If you guys see anything wrong about it, leave it in the comments below. Let me know how you feel about this shoe, and I'll be quick to respond to you guys, man. As soon as I get the notification on my phone, I'll respond right to you guys. And if it's a great comment, I'll ping the comment. And, you know, we can create a buzz from there, man. But this shoe is fire. Really not nothing wrong with it, man. I like everything about it. Old school laces, man. Got the gray, you know, points here, whatever. The only thing I could say, you know, for it to be premium and it came in a white Air Force One box, you know, white black Air Force One boxes are, that's when you know when it's premium, is that they didn't come with an extra set of laces. But no need to complain about that, man. You know, because these laces go directly with the shoe, man. So I like what I see here, man. But you know, I gotta grade the shoe. So, you know, I'm an Air Force One guy. I like Air Force Ones, man. I love Air Force Ones, man. And I really like this shoe. Shout out to Carl for letting me hold this shoe to do this review for you guys, man. Shout out to him. He always comes through in the clutch and give me shoes that I don't get a chance to get myself. He gives them to me and let me do reviews with him. So shout out to him, man. Be sure, y'all, I'm going to put his Instagram link in the description, so you guys can check out his Instagram and see what he got going on and everything. But yeah, man, I gotta rate this shoe, man. I gotta get this shoe 4.5 out of 5 pennies, man. No ifs and buts about it, man. This shoe is straight heat. Got the logos on it here, man. This is dope. And this also comes off too. You take this off, it comes off if you want or whatever. I'm not gonna put it back on now, but you take that off, man, and really get that OG feel, you know. But great shoe, man. There's nothing really wrong with this shoe, man. It's clean, it's simple, get straight to the point. And that's what you gotta love about sneakers these days, man. Clean, simple, and get straight to the point, man. And with that being said, man, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.